nothing like looking at some vehicle dynamic settings when you're driving. So we're gonna check that out while we're driving. Let's look at the vehicle data. Engine data get bored. See what that throttle, and that brake be looking like, that G-force. We just listening to the beautiful sound of the exhaust mainly though. That's all. Alright, so I need a mount for that thing up here on the sunroof. Oh, fuck this. There's a train up there. I'm not waiting on a freaking train. Turn my ass around. Go, dude. Fuck out of here. Oh, goodness. Stupid. You gotta love that awesome sound of that C63 twin Turbskis. Just making all that racket noise and all that good stuff, you know what I mean? That would have been well suited for a mounted camera because my arm was all over the place. Yeah, we're in race mode, by the way, guys. Sport suspension. We're going to get our best. I think we're going to get our best acceleration with the sport suspension because you don't have any traction control kicking in, turning off all the features and functions of the car and stuff like that. This damn thing just went sideways and then, oh my gosh. Sport mode is crazy. You gotta watch yourself in this car. This car gets you in trouble for real, as you can see. Get you in some real trouble. But I'm being good though, I'm not gonna get in any trouble. Hey YouTube, just want to give you a little short morning, a little morning fix, Ooh. Ooh. Oh gosh, this thing is no joke. Like with the extra power, from the Racechip, I find it put it down a lot better in race mode because race mode has a quicker shifting going on because of course it's in race mode. So it's a few milliseconds faster than your regular shifting. So with that in mind, the extra torque, you want that transmission, you want everything to be tight as possible. You won't want to allow room for play, error, any of that stuff, Let everything be nice and tight. You feel me? exit. It's your boy right here, just checking in, let you guys see how this thing drive. We out here in the morning, 66 degrees out here. We got a lot of rain, so the temperatures done dropped drastically, you know, crazy. It was hot as hell out here. Hot like a mug, crazy hot. So but we cooling off now. We cooling off, enjoying this nice weather, you know. But yo, in the meantime, yo, appreciate you checking out the channel. I don't have anything else to say, and I'm tuning off. So just stay tuned for some uploads coming. You know, I had to throw a little something up here for you guys in the meantime, so I get some more videos edited and whatnot. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt, and I'm out of here. Peace.